The cost of medicine affects countless lives worldwide. Drug prices impact both the market and the people who need treatment, making pricing a complex and often frustrating topic. Healthcare entrepreneur Jay Bhaumik, with experience in the medical and pharmaceutical fields, offers insight into the factors behind drug pricing. One major reason for high prices is the innovation involved. Developing a new drug takes over a decade and can cost billions. This includes costly research and development, R&D, clinical trials, regulatory approvals, and safety testing, all to ensure the drug is safe before it reaches patients. Only a small percentage of tested drugs ever get approved. For every successful drug, many others fail, causing companies to spend large sums without returns. To cover these losses, companies often raise prices on approved drugs. Bhaumik explains this is meant to balance out costs, but it creates a challenge. If prices are too high, patients may struggle to afford essential medicines, which defeats the purpose. After development, producing drugs at scale adds more costs. Manufacturing may require rare ingredients, specialized equipment, and strict quality control, all of which increase expenses. Distribution can also be costly, especially for drugs needing refrigeration or special handling. These factors push prices higher for consumers. Middlemen like insurance companies and pharmacy benefit managers, PBMs, also influence drug costs. PBMs negotiate rebates and discounts but don't always pass savings to patients. Insurance plans with high deductibles or tiered pricing can make medications unaffordable, forcing difficult choices between health and finances. The lack of standardized pricing further complicates access to affordable care. Globally, drug pricing varies. In the US, prices are mainly set by market forces, leading to higher costs than in many other countries. Nations like Canada and Germany negotiate directly with pharmaceutical companies, setting price limits or aligning costs with international standards. While some argue higher prices fund research and development, others worry that limited regulation leads to high patient costs and restricted access. Bhaumik emphasizes that medicine pricing is a complex issue without easy solutions. Since people's lives depend on affordable drugs, there's inherent tension between innovation costs and patient access. If pharmaceutical companies truly prioritize public health, medicines must remain accessible to those in need. He stresses the need for collaboration among governments, drug makers, insurers, and healthcare providers. Patients should never have to choose between their health and financial well-being, Bhaumik says. At the core, this challenge involves balancing financial realities with public health goals. Companies must recoup huge development and production costs to keep innovating, but prices must not prevent patients from getting life-saving treatments.